Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and today I'm super excited to show you the August Wix Wax Wax and Wardrobe subscription box. If you are not familiar with Wix Wax, you should be. I will leave the link below for you to check out the website. But Wix Wax is a company that sells candles, wax melts, and many other things. Lots of different subscription options. Amy makes everything by hand herself. She comes up with the fragrances. This is the t-shirt from last month. It says, "Let the adventure begin." Soft t-shirt, feels great. I love this one. And the color, love the color. So this subscription is going to be $19.95 a month. You will get a t-shirt and a candle every month. I want to say this was a $37 value on the website. I will double check and leave the exact amount here in the corner. But you're going to love this subscription for the money. You cannot beat it. Every month you're going to be surprised with what fun things are included. The boxes, I just check out the packing paper from the top. It always comes pretty wrapped inside. I also do the Candle of the Month Club, so you can check that one out. Those scents are exclusive to the Candle of the Month. You can't get those scents anywhere else. And the one we just got, I've been loving. My sister fussed at me for hoarding it. I was keeping it in my room. She's like, "No, you got to leave it out with everybody else to use." But this one is a great one. You not only get the wonderful candle, but you get a great t-shirt as well. Let's check and see what's in store for us for August. We are going to start with the candle, and the candle's got the fun box on the front, or that she's got her sticker on it. Oh, this one is chai tea, and these are 8-ounce candles that come with it. And my last one for the last month, I did finally burn it to the very bottom, but it took me, I just finished it a week or so ago, so it took me a good long time to get through it. And now what I do is when I work from home 2 days a week, I will have that candle going while I'm working. It just makes my room nice and relaxing while I'm working. While I've been talking to you, I can already start smelling this candle. It smells amazing. You have the spices, you have the vanilla. Chai tea is one of my absolute favorite drinks, and this captures that smell. Oh, it's amazing. I'm gonna love this one. Oh my gosh, so much. Oh, I'm gonna just sit here and smell it a lot because it smells really good. I did want to mention, you guys are all familiar with a certain Bath and Body company that sells candles and puts them on sale periodically. Normally they're $26, $27. They go on sale for under $15 a lot of times. And I bought a lot of those, and they're good candles. But it takes me going through 10 of their candles to get one that doesn't make my stomach want to turn because the fragrances are just a little off. These, I have never had one of Amy's candles that bothered me in one bit. My sister's highly sensitive to fragrances. She has loved every single one we've gotten from Amy. The wax melts, everything has been a hit. We love them all. She puts such care and love into her products, and the fragrances show that. She will just make the best candles. So the quality of these is way better, much superior to the ones I get commercially. You're gonna love it. They're handmade, they're natural candles. The smell, again, amazing. And you can just see, even from the inside, it's not perfect, it's handmade. So you have a handmade, beautiful candle. Smells amazing. I just want to keep talking about how much it smells because I want to keep smelling it, but I want to show you this t-shirt too. All right, so the t-shirt's going to come wrapped up. I don't know what it's going to look like, but let's see. Oh my gosh. Amy, you hit it out of the park again. I love this. This says "Hello Summer," and it's got the colors of summer. It's a gray t-shirt. Love this one. Oh my gosh, I love this one so much. I love summer. It's perfect for this time of year. This is a great t-shirt. And with the t-shirts, you can pick your size. I pick a 2X, and it's nice and roomy. I love it. And these are Glidden t-shirts, so they're soft and amazing. You can pick your size. I'll put the size options for you here in the corner. With the candle, you can also choose your scent, your favorite scent profile, and she'll customize your candles to that. This one, I forgot what we put as our scent profile, but this one's really good, whatever it is. I love it. So great one, absolutely amazing. Check it out, you won't be sorry. I was watching, if you didn't know, Amy actually does a live feed on her YouTube channel, which I'll also link below, and I caught it the other night, and she was wearing the first t-shirt subscription club. The first t-shirt I got from the subscription is the orange one. It says, "In a world full of roses, be a sunflower." And I didn't realize it, but she said on the video she designed that one herself. So she may, I'll have to ask her if she designs all of these herself. Amy, if you watch the video, tell me, do you design all of these yourself? Because these are creative and spectacular. Love it. $20 will buy you a t-shirt but $20, $19.95 with Amy will get you a t-shirt and a candle. So Wix Wax subscriptions are where it's at. You will love these. I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. For now, I want to thank you for joining me on Beth Unboxes and hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.